Hey guys, this is Lumbo. How do you feel today? Today I feel good, I feel great. And you know, last week I spoke basic pronunciation and rule 1 linking sound. And then I will talk about advanced pronunciation and rule 2, 3, 4 linking sound. The first, advanced pronunciation. 1. A lot of people ask me if it's possible to sound like a native speaker. Next. One of my favorite things to do with the free day is to ride my bike. Sometimes I ride along Hudson River or Central Park. Sometimes I'll go visit friends in Brooklyn. Next. Hey Tom, what did you do today? Today I woke up and I went for a run, and then I just walked. Next. Tonight I'm meeting up with some friends West Village for pizza. We may stay in the West Village of the woods, or we may hop on the bikes, or we may hop on the bikes and go up to UBC for a comedy show. Next. Are you happy about anything? Are you happy about anything? Can I call you Raj? Yes, you can call me Raj. And start the but in very good way. And the second, I will talk about rule 2, 3, 4 of linking sound. Rule 2, consonant sound and consonant sound. Credit check. Check caching. The top file. Sit down. He is, he, she. Is she? Is she? Rule 3. Vowel sound and vowel sound. Do I? So do I? Go anywhere. How are? You are. To open. I also. He always. He is. We always. Fly in the sky. I am a boy. Rule 4. T, D, S, and Z sound stand in front of Y or U sound. T sound stand in front of Y or U sound. You say ch, ch. For example, don't you? Can't you? Haven't you? Not yet. Next. S sound stand in front of Y or U sound. You say j, j. For example, yes, you are. Glad you. Read yourself. Read yourself. Meet you. Next. D sound stand in front of Y or U sound. You say j, j. For example, education. Did you? Could you? Next. Finally, Z sound stand in front of Y or U sound. You say j, j. For example, what you? How you? Where you? Okay. And then now I will talk about how was your vacation? How was your vacation with my partner? This is Miss Phương. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, let's start.
was the vacation?
It was very fun.
Oh, where did you go?
I went to the beach.
Ah, who did you go with?
I went with my father, mother, and older sister.
Mm. Did you have a house at the beach?
No, we stay at the hotel.
Ah, which hotel did you stay at?
It's called the Imperial.
Have you stayed there before?
Yes, we've been going there for years.
Oh, it must be very nice.
Yes, it's very nice and not too expensive.
Mm. And did you play in the water?
Yes, I went swimming and I rode banana boat.
How about your older sister?
She did not like the water. She liked sit on the beach and read a book.
What do your mother and your father like to do?
They like to eat on restaurant.
How long was the vacation?
3 or 4 days.
And will you go there again next year?
Of course.